Good evening, all of you. So, this is a lecture regarding simplification of numerical expressions. In scholarship exams, there are few questions related to simplification of numerical expressions. So, write down the chapter name: simplification of numerical expressions. So, in this chapter, in this lecture, we are going to solve few questions regarding BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule, where you note it down, where V is vinculum, that is bar, apostrophe bar, and expression is written in the vinculum. This can be written as this, in this way. Okay. Second, B is regarding bracket or representing bracket, which is square bracket or curling bracket, or it may a simple bracket. O means of, which implies multiplication. Of means simply a multiplication, but of is a different. We will get it by solving the problems. D is for division symbol. Then M is for multiplication, a purely multiplication. That is symbol is class, multiplication class. A is for addition, and S is for subtraction. So in this way, how to use BODMAS rule or BODMAS rule simply, we will see while solving these problems. So welcome to this lecture. Question number 1. Try to solve questions along with me. Simplify. First question. Simplify 27 minus 25 into 12 plus 1. So if you have this type of question, then how to solve it? So let's solve it by a BODMAS rule. As you see, there are two brackets. In first bracket, 27 minus 25 is given. In second bracket, 12 plus 1 is given. So first solve brackets, both the brackets. So first write down this equation, 27 minus 25 into another bracket, 12 plus 1. Now separately solve these both brackets. First do 27 minus 25, it is 2, and 12 plus 1 separately, that is 12 plus 1 is 13. Now 2 and bracket into bracket. Here no sign is present, that means here multiplication is present. So 2 into 13. So 2 into 13, which is 13 twos are 26. Hence answer will be 26. In this way you have to solve these problems. Question number 2. Simplify 4 by 9 into 18 by 5 divided by 24 by 5. So how to solve this equation? Question number 2. 4 by 9 into 18 by 5 divided by 24 by 5. So as you see, here fractions are given, and here taken operation is multiplication, here is division. So first, as per the BODMAS rule, we first solve vinculum, then bracket, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and finally subtraction. So first we have to solve a division before multiplication. So first we have to go for a division. So firstly solve this division. At first, while solving this problem, you have to write equation as it is: 4 by 9 into 18 by 5 division 24 by 5. Now if I have to solve this division first, then we solve the division of fractions. We have learned already division of fractions, where if there is a division like this, a by b divided by c by d, then we solve it by keeping a by b as it is and multiply by d by c. Numerator and denominator values are interchanged, so d becomes numerator, c becomes denominator, and this division converts to multiplication. So similarly, by this rule we can also write here 4 by 9 keep as it is into 18 by 5, as this is the first fraction, 18 by 5 is a first fraction, keep it as it is. Then numerator and denominator of this 24 by 5 will interchange, and here sign will be also interchange, that is multiplication. इथं डिव्हिजनच्या ऐवजी मल्टिप्लिकेशन साइन घ्यायचं असतं. हा रूल आहे. जर डिव्हिजन असेल तिथं आपल्याला मल्टिप्लिकेशन घ्यावे लागेल आणि न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर एक्सचेंज करावे लागणार आहेत. वी शुड interchange the numerator and denominators. So it becomes 5 upon 24. Here 5 will get cancelled, as this 5 is in numerator, this 5 is in denominator. So 5 will get cancelled. Now only remaining is 4 by 9 into 18 into 1 by 24. Now we know the tables of 4 and 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 4 ones are 4, 4 sixes are 24. So whatever is remaining we should write here. So it's a 1 by 1 into 2, it's a 1 by 6. Now multiply numerators. 1 into 2, 2, 2 into 1 is 2. So here write in numerator 2. 1 into 2 by 1, here nothing is present, that means 1 is present. So 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 6 is 6, so 2 by 6. Now again simplify this 2 by 6 to reduce form. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, so 1 by 3 will be the answer. In this way we have to solve this problem. At least try to solve these problems again and again, then you will realize what exactly I have done in this problem while solving this problem. Now one more, question number 3. Simplify. Now here square brackets are provided. In first square bracket 2 by 5 plus 1 by 7 in first bracket, divided by, in another square bracket it is given that 1 upon 5 minus 1 upon 8. Again one more quantity is given, that is 5 upon 21. So how to solve this problem? Now first step, here two brackets are separately given, so first solve brackets. As per the rule, I will again remember you, we have to solve first bracket, then off, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and finally subtraction. So first we have to do vinculum, second bracket, third off, fourth is division, fifth is multiplication, sixth is addition, seventh is subtraction. So problems of vinculum are not for 5th standard, but still you should know them. तो एखादा प्रॉब्लेम जर तसा आपल्या सिलेबसमध्ये पुस्तकामध्ये दिसला तर आपण नक्की बघू. पण एक लक्षात ठेवा की सगळ्यात पहिल्यांदा ब्रॅकेट सॉल्व करायचा, नंतर ऑफ म्हणजे चा, मल्टिप्लिकेशन अशा गोष्टी सोडवायच्या, त्यानंतर डिव्हिजन, त्यानंतर अगेन प्युअर मल्टिप्लिकेशन, हे सिम्पल मल्टिप्लिकेशन आपण करत आलो आहे ते सोडवायचं, त्यानंतर ॲडिशन, त्याच्यानंतर सबट्रॅक्शन. प्रॉब्लेम सोडवत असताना हाच सिक्वेन्स ठेवायचा असतो. ठीक आहे, आपण हा तिसरा प्रॉब्लेम सोडवून बघूया. बघा इथं दोन ब्रॅकेट्स दिसत आहेत. हिअर टू ब्रॅकेट्स आर प्रेझेंट. दिस इज फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट, दिस इज सेकंड ब्रॅकेट, अँड वन मोर क्वांटिटी इज टेकन सेपरेटली. सो सॉल्व these two brackets separately. In this first bracket only addition operation is there. इथं काय आहे, फक्त ॲडिशन आहे. आता ॲडिशन करायची म्हटलं इथं आता डिनॉमिनेटर सेम आहे का, तर नाही आहे. आपण इथं मग क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन ही मेथड वापरणार आहे. सो फर्स्ट ब्रॅकेट आपण आहे तसा लिहिला. टेकिंग क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन, 2 into 7 it's 14. 5 into 1 is plus 5 divided by 5 into 7. 5 into 7 into म्हणजे मल्टिप्लिकेशन लक्षात ठेवा. 5 into 7, 5 sevens are 35. This is first bracket. दोन्ही ब्रॅकेट्सच्या मध्ये डिव्हिजन साइन आहे. कीप इट ॲज इट इज. अगेन इन सेकंड ब्रॅकेट अगेन टेक क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन. 1 into 8 is 8 ones are 8 minus मधलं साईन मायनस आहे म्हणून मायनस ठेवलं. 5 into 1 is 5. 5 1s are 5. Again 5 into 8 is 5 8s are 40. So here we write 40 and minus 5 upon 21 written as it is. परत एकदा स्टेप जर समजले नसतील तर परत एकदा नक्की पाहून घ्या, व्हिडिओ रिव्हर्स करून हा पाहून घ्या स्टेप्स काय आहेत. नाव नेक्स्ट सिम्प्लिफिकेशन इज 14 plus 5 is 19 upon 35. In second bracket डिव्हिजन आहे तशीच राहणार आहे. इन सेकंड ब्रॅकेट 8 minus 5 is 3 upon 40 minus 5 upon 21, keeping as it is. Now here this is the fraction, this is the fraction, and in both the fractions there is a division operation. आता ह्या दोन्ही फ्रॅक्शनच्या मध्ये डिव्हिजन ऑपरेशन आहे म्हणून आपण डिव्हिजन ऑपरेशन कसं सोडवत असतो, जो दुसरा फ्रॅक्शन असतो त्याचा न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर एक्सचेंज करायचा असतो. सो अँड दिस साइन विल बी कन्वर्टेड टू मल्टिप्लिकेशन. या साईनला मल्टिप्लाय करायचं, मल्टिप्लिकेशन करून घ्यायचं आणि ह्याचा न्यूमरेटर आणि डिनॉमिनेटर एक्सचेंज करायचं. असं आपण डिव्हिजन पहिल्यांदा सोडवत असतो. म्हणजे पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला आता ही डिव्हिजन सॉल्व करायची आहे दोन्ही ब्रॅकेट्सची. सो 19 upon 35 कीप इट ॲज इट इज अँड दिस डिव्हिजन कन्वर्ट्स टू मल्टिप्लिकेशन अँड इंटरचेंज द न्यूमरेटर अँड डिनॉमिनेटर. सो इट्स अ 40 upon 3. या सगळ्यांना बाजूला ठेवून हे minus 5 upon 21 कीप इट ॲज इट इज. ते minus 5 upon 21 आहे ते आहे तसं ठेवा. नाव नेक्स्ट स्टेप विल बी 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40. So in the numerator 19 into 8 will remain, divided by in denominator 7 into 3 will remain. So minus 5 upon 21, keep it as it is. So 19 into 8. So we do multiplication here. 19 into 8. 8 9s are 72. Carry 1 is 7. 8 1s are 8. Plus 7 is 15. So it's a 152. 19 into 8 is 152. Divided by 7 3s are 21. Minus 5 upon 21. आता इकडे बघा दोन्हीमध्ये डिनॉमिनेटर 21 21 आहे. सो वी कॅन डायरेक्टली सबट्रॅक्ट न्यूमरेटर्स. हिअर subtraction of fractions is derived. So 152 upon 21 minus 5 upon 21, as denominators are same, here is also 21, here is also 21, that's why we can directly subtract numerators. So it is 152 minus 5 upon 21, and which is equals to 152 minus 5 is 147 upon 21. And we know 21 1s are 21, 21 7s are 147. So it's that is equals to 147 divided by 21 is equals to 7, as 21 7s are 147. So answer will be 7. Answer is equals to 7. In this way you have to solve these problems. In this video we have solved 3 questions. So in further videos we will solve next level problems. आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये एवढे 3 आपण प्रॉब्लेम सोडवलेले आहेत. हे तिन्हीच्या तिन्ही प्रॉब्लेम सगळ्यांनी परत एकदा सोडवून बघा आणि अशा पद्धतीचे प्रॉब्लेम तुम्हाला जर दिसत असतील तर मला ते नक्की पाठवा. आपण ते प्रॉब्लेम्स सोडवून बघूया. गुड नाईट.